The secret of saying hello. Once there was a little girl named Lily who was very shy. She loved to play in the park, but she would always play by herself. She was afraid to say hello to the other children. Lily watched the other children laughing and playing. She wished she could join them, but a little voice in her head would whisper, "What if they don't want to talk to you?" One sunny afternoon, a new girl with bright red boots came to the park. She was trying to fly a kite, but the wind was too strong, and the kite string got tangled in a tree. Lily watched as the girl, whose name was Mia, tried and tried to get her kite down. Lily knew a special trick for getting things out of trees. She took a deep breath and walked over. "Hello," she said quietly. Mia was so happy to have some help. Lily showed her how to gently shake the branch, and soon the kite floated down. "Wow, thank you," Mia said with a big smile. They started talking and discovered they both loved the color blue. They also both had pet cats and liked to eat strawberry ice cream. Lily learned that making a new friend was not scary at all. All it took was a simple hello. She realized that most people are happy to talk if you are friendly to them. The next day, Lily saw a boy sitting by himself, looking a little sad. She remembered how she used to feel, so she walked right up to him. "Hello," Lily said with a warm smile. "My name is Lily. Do you want to play?" The boy looked up, and a small smile appeared on his face. "I'm Tom," he said. "I'd love to." From that day on, the park was a much happier place for Lily. She learned that a simple hello could open up a whole new world of friendship and fun.